All right, guys, you got to check out this new innovative thing I came up with. So here lately, I've been working on some transmissions where the fill hole and the drain hole are both the same plug, and they got some weird style drain plugs on them. So you got to get some of these threaded adapters that are all different threads. You thread this in there, and they make different styles of pumps to pump the ATF in the transmission. They got some pneumatic ones where you hook shop air up to it and pressurizes it in there, or this one is designed where you can get this pump that goes on a chuck of a drill, and you just hold the trigger down on the drill and it pumps it. So I came up with this genius idea. Instead of spending 200 something on that guy from Snap-on, I had an old fuel pump laying around. So you get you a clean 5-gallon bucket that's clean, drill a couple holes up here at the zip tie where your fuel pump is straight up and down. Get some long wires, preferably longer than this with alligator clips. All I do is hook this up to a battery, run this hose onto whatever adapter I got, and bam, it'll suck that pump dry in a couple minutes. A fuel pump from a car will easily suck ATF with no issues. So there is my idea. Or if you go on Marketplace and buy a vehicle and they say it's just needing a fuel pump, you can fill this bad boy with gas and you got your fuel pump in a bucket, and you could test out a fuel pump right then and there. Peace.